Hey there, Scott here with Saws on Skates. Today I'm going to show you how to get your spices organized with this rustic wall-mounted spice cabinet. It features a chicken wire door, chalky paint exterior, and adjustable stained wood shelves. Best of all, it's a simple project to make with just a few basic tools. Let's get started. First, I cut the top and bottom for the carcass or box of the cabinet and drilled pocket holes in each piece. The top piece has countersink holes that will attach the carcass to the top of the cabinet. Next, I cut the sides and labeled one end as the bottom. I'll start drilling the shelf pin holes at the bottom of the boards. This will ensure the holes for the adjustable shelves are at the same level from front to back and side to side. Next, I cut the cleats and started to assemble the case. I temporarily placed the cleats inside the box to help keep it square. On the backside, the cleats were attached with pocket screws. I edge glued these boards to make the top and bottom of the cabinet. Next, I cut the parts for the door. I filled the pocket holes in the door with pocket hole plugs. I used playing cards to center the door from top to bottom. I planned to use chicken wire for the door, but I had this hardware cloth on hand, so I used it instead. The hardware cloth was attached to the door with screws and washers. Next, I edge glued 2 boards to make the shelves. I cut 4 shelves when the glue was dry. To finish up this project, I painted the cabinet with 2 coats of chalky paint. This cabinet is ready to spice things up. Stick around, another helpful DIY tutorial is coming up.